2011 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, running boards, dual power mirrors. Inside you'll find OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, climate control, cloth upholstery, power driver's seat, rear defroster, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.